Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest edition of OnePlus 60, the OnePlus 60 McLaren edition, which has been announced in association with the McLaren. So McLaren is a company which has been known for F1 racing and known for speed. So this edition is a salute to speed. You can see the box packing itself mentions salute to speed. So this is a limited edition device which has been launched in partnership with McLaren. So this device has some interesting aspects. So it's not just the regular OnePlus 60 edition, so there are some upgrades as well. So in this video we'll talk about those things. So we'll show you the device. It's a special box packing which comes with the device. So you can see that this is the orange box packing. So McLaren has been always had this orange color as a signature color, so that's why the box packing also mentions the salute to speed and the orange color, the papaya orange color. And this is the box package, and you can see the speed orange is the color variant, and it comes with 10GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, and you also get the official product sticker of McLaren. So that's the one. Otherwise the specification remains the same. It also comes with the new warp charging, so we'll talk about the warp charging a bit later. So this is the box package, and the pricing is 15,999. so that means 51,000 is the pricing of the McLaren edition. It comes in only one variant, that's 10GB storage and 256GB 10GB RAM and 256GB storage. So let's just open this box. So the box package has this carbon fiber kind of finishing. So this is quite similar to how the McLaren products are, that the carbon fiber used in McLaren products symbolizes this box package. So let's just open this box package. So there you go, you can see fast and smooth, and the box packaging has been given very much details. So you can see that's one of the best box packaging we have seen. And on the top we get to see a book. You can see salute to speed McLaren edition. You can see some details about the company, the McLaren company, and some other details about the racing cars are mentioned here. So you can see the winners and all those stuff from McLaren. So this is the limited edition variant, and you can see all the details are mentioned here, and you can see the specifications mentioned here. So you can see inspired by F1, McLaren papaya orange and carbon fiber speed design, built for a fast and smooth experience. 10GB RAM, Snapdragon 845, warp charging 30, that's 30W charging for the 3700 mAh capacity battery, 50% capacity in just 20 minutes. That's pretty impressive. And screen unlock and other details are also mentioned. The Oxygen OS 9.0, the Android version. So warp charging is something new. The previous version had 20 watt charging. Now it has been increased to 30 watts. So dash charging now becomes warp charging. So that's the difference. And then you get the device here. So you can see that that's the device. So it looks really nice in terms of the material. You can also see there is the papaya orange finishing at the side. So let's just take this out of the case. So there you go, that's the device. We'll talk about the device in a while. So that's the box package. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. So you can see that it also comes with a really nice papaya orange cable. So this is the cable, the USB Type-C cable. Looks really nice in terms of the build quality. Then you get a McLaren edition charging adapter. So this is again the 30W charger. You can see that 5V 6 ampere is the maximum warp charging 30. So it is again McLaren branded. So it's a black one again with the papaya orange color. So it looks really nice. Then you also get this adapter. Just take this out. So this adapter. So 3.5mm audio jack you get with this adapter, USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack. So that adapter is included. Then you get a case. This is a really great looking case. You can see again the McLaren branding. It gives good protection to the device, and OnePlus and McLaren edition finishing really good. So this is the nice finish. So what it means here is that this is the actual carbon fiber used in the McLaren car. So you can see that this is handcrafted in England, and this is a carbon fiber 2018. So this is a piece of that carbon fiber which is actually used. So this is really nice in terms of what has been displayed here. So that's the one included here. and you also get a smaller box here. So let's just take this out and see what it comes inside. So you get the SIM ejector pin, then a couple of manuals. Again, you can see the orange color has been given a lot of priority, and this is a banner here. So that's it. Then you get the safety and warranty information along with the SIM ejector pin. So that's all inside the box package. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the McLaren edition from OnePlus. So let's see the device more closer. You can see the orange banding around the bottom section. You can see that's the new edition, and you can also see a carbon fiber finish behind the glass panel. So that's the edition. So we'll just peel off all these stickers, and we'll show you the device more closer. So there you go. You can see that there is a carbon fiber texture in the back panel, and let's see the display remains the same. It's the same display panel, and almost everything remains the same except for the McLaren branding. And the side panel has been given this papaya orange color, which symbolizes speed and McLaren. So that's the edition. So we have the power key on the right side along with alert slider. Then we have the volume rocker keys on the left side along with the SIM tray. And top panel does not have any openings or slots. The bottom section has the USB Type-C port, the speaker unit, and front panel has this notch along with the camera unit. So let's boot the device. So you can also see there is a new boot logo for this edition. We'll just show you that as well. So this is powered by the McLaren edition, so that has this special logo for the boot screen as well. So there you go, you can see that the boot screen logo. So that's the OnePlus 60 McLaren edition, and you can see the UI exactly remains the same. So you can see that it has been given an orange color in the UI design. So that's the McLaren edition. Let's also go to the settings panel and see. So here again you can see the accent color is orange. So that implies McLaren's orange color. So that's the only difference. So we also get 10GB RAM here. So the important aspect is 10GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, Snapdragon 845, 6.41 optic AMOLED display, 16 and 20 megapixel dual camera, and everything else remains the same. It is powered by the Oxygen OS 9.0.9 along with Android Pie version, that's 9.0. So that's the device. So overall this looks like a really premium device. You can see the texture on the back panel looks really nice. So that's the McLaren edition of the OnePlus 60. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the McLaren edition of the OnePlus 60. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.